Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I have selected a topic, human heart. Human heart has four chambers. The upper two, right atrium and left atrium, and the lower two are the right ventricle and left ventricle. In fact, the heart does more physical work than any other muscle over a lifetime. Heart is located between the lungs in the middle of the chest. The heart pumps blood through the network of arteries and veins known as the cardiovascular system. It pushes blood to the body's organs, tissues, and cells. Blood delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell and removes the carbon dioxide and other waste products made by those cells. Blood is carried from the heart to the rest of the body through a complex network of arteries, arterioles, and capillaries. Blood is returned to the heart through venules and veins. Parts of the human heart. The heart is made up of four chambers, two upper chambers known as the left atrium and right atrium, and two lower chambers called the left and right ventricles. These are the two upper chambers known as right atrium and left atrium, and two lower chambers known as right ventricle and left ventricle. Heart is made up of four valves: the tricuspid, pulmonary, mitral, and aortic valves. Tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral valve, and aortic valve. The right atrium receives non-oxygenated or deoxygenated blood from the body's largest veins, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, and pumps it through the tricuspid valve to the right ventricle. This right atrium, it receives deoxygenated blood from superior vena cava, from the upper part of the body, and from the inferior vena cava, from the lower part of the body. And it pumps the blood through the tricuspid valve to the right ventricle. Blood atrium receives the blood from the body and send it to the right ventricle. The deoxygenated blood to the right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps the blood through the pulmonary valve to the lungs where it becomes oxygenated. Right ventricle pumps the blood through pulmonary artery to lungs. Exchange of gases takes place. Blood release carbon dioxide and receive oxygen from lungs. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it through the mitral valve to the left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps oxygen rich blood, that is oxygenated blood, through the aortic valve to the aorta and the rest of the body. The coronary arteries run along the surface of the heart and provide oxygen rich blood to the heart muscle. A web of nerve tissues also runs through the heart, conducting the complex signals that govern contraction and relaxation. A sac known as the pericardium surrounds the heart. The outer layer of pericardium surrounds the roots of the heart's major blood vessels, and the inner layer is attached to the heart muscle. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.